Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to change the drive letter. So let me show you. See, as you can see, I'm having the C and D drive. Make sure you can't change the OS drive. So I'm changing the letter of D drive. Press Window and R key. Just click on it and type diskmgmt.msc and click on OK. Once it has been opened, select your drive. As in my case, I want to change for the D drive. Right click on it, click on change drive letter. Now click on remove. Again click on change drive letters. Click on add. See, as you can see, let me give you the M. Click on OK. Let's see whether the drive is changed or not. Going to this see, as you can see, it has been done.